Hey guys, today I would like to show you about how to create the skill bar by use HTML and CSS language. Okay, and this one is focus on the subject that is you want to set it as a person. Okay, and now let me create a folder. Okay, and I name the folder is skill bar, and inside the folder I will put the two files. The first one is HTML and the extension HTML. So maybe index.html. Yes, and one more is style.css. It is HTML style CSS. Okay, and so we ready, and we move it to our editor and start coding. And this is HTML structure, but I just want to add the language. Let's go to English, and the title is understanding subjects, and that's it. And one more, I want to add a meta chassis UTF-8. It's for support or okay. And this is a style CSS because it's in the same like it's stay together, and no need to call the folder, just call the name, it's okay. So and now it is a container, it's a div. Yes, and inside the div I put what it is. I put the title in H1, and also the name is understanding subjects. Okay, and inside it I put one more div. It is going to work. Yes, you see it's the gray one. Yes. And inside the book there are HTML. Sorry, it's English. And let me copy. And one more is the percent is going to 95%. Yes, and it is one more div. Yes, and inside the div that class skills have one more div, the class level is the level. Yes, and then because it's the same, yes, and so we can copy it. So the total is 5 subject, and you need to copy 4 times. And after you copy, you just going to change the name and the person because it's not the same, it is different. So now go to change it to HTML5. Yes, HTML5, and one more is CSS3, and this one is going to JavaScript. Yes, and the last is professional life. It is a soft skill subject, and it's the most important also. Yes, and then now we're going to set the persons of each subject, and HTML5 is 85%, and CS is 82. Yes, and it is 70%, and the last is 80%. Yes, and so our HTML is already, and this is the result. Wait, yes. So right now let's be going to style CSS to make it more beauty and it's better. Look interesting. Okay, let's start with that. So core body is to margin 0, and padding is also 0, and the sorry, I forgot semicolon. Yes, for formula is sans serif. Yes, and the background is like a deep blue. Yes, but we call 0064F. Yes, and we're gonna do the container to div the class container. Yes, and that's one. So I want it for width. The width is only 40%. Okay. Yes, and the background is a bit gray. It's a dark one. Yes, you see. Yes. And it is for border. No, it is a box sizing. It's a border box and box shadow. It's going to maybe 0 and 20, 50, and for the color it is going to black, but the capacity of black is only 0.5, so not too black. Yes, and the top is gonna be 50%, and the left is 50% also. Yes, and for the transform or position absolute, and I said the transform is what's the transform is to translate minus 50% and minus 50%. Okay, and it's important I don't put comma at here, so you will see it's not in the middle. Yes, and I put it. Okay, so then we need to style. Sorry, but for I need to take to the shadow, the padding, and one more is, so we don't see shadow. So, oh, I forgot to put the picture. Yes. Okay. So let's preview again. Yes, so you will see the shadow. Okay. And now on, we start to the header. It is H1. It's a heading. Yes. And margin is 0. Padding is going to 0. And for the spacing of each letter is 2 pixels, and the third transform is uppercase. Yes, it means so. You see? Okay. And now we're going to style the box. There's one more box, the box inside it, and maybe so the width is 100%. And it's also box sizing is border box, and margin is 20 pixels, and 0 means that top and bottom is 20 pixels. Yes. So then we're going to style to the name of subject. It is inside the box, and it's the P text. Yes, that's one. Okay, and when it to all color is white, and spacing is 1 page, and for the width, font width, it is 800, so it's a bit bold. Yes, but okay, let me put 8.1 is going to white also. White. The color is FFF. Yes. Okay. So for margin, yes, and a bit close. So one more thing, and now we start to what is to person. We want the person is to the right, yes, the right part. So and we call it, because it is also the P text, is the paragraph text again. So we can call it again, but we add like this, and we add NT8 minus char 2. Like that. It's very call only the two, the paragraph is the second. So float is going to the right. It's going to be right, and the position is relative, and the top maybe minus 26. And let's see. Yes, but it's not in the same line, so change to 25. Oh, it's still not good. Okay, and yes. So maybe we don't put it. Okay, and now maybe we change it to minus 30 pixel. It's better. Yes. And now go to one more is to call the div inside p inside box in this class skill. So we call it, and don't wait too long, just call skill. Yes. And the skill one is for background. It's the same as the body background. It's like a deep blue or something. Yes, and for padding is 3 pixel and it's border box. And the border is 1 pixel. It is not too big. Yes, and you see. And but I forgot to put solid 1 pixel solid. Yes, it is solid. So and then the color also, it is going to let's see. Yes. So I set the radius. It is 3 pixel. Yes. Okay, and you see. So now, and the one more is the last deal is the class is level. Yes, just put the level on it. I mean that to put so something is similar. Yes, and for okay, it's the same. I just want to do like this because I just want you to know that they have a lot of stuff, a lot of way to do like that. So for backgrounds and the width and height 8 pixel. Yes, and you will see like this. Okay, and we want it into for 95% is not like that. So and now we're going to change in our div and in HTML. So we put a style to them that for we set the width is 95%. Yes, you will see it. So one more is all the subject are the same. If we have 85, we style to 85%. Yes, and with it's 85%. So I need the time. Is in the text. So okay, and the 3 one is all the 3 start to 80%. So we just change the width only. Yes, we need to change much, and it is going to 70%. The last is also 80%. So let's see our result. So it's like okay. So this is our results for HTML and CSS and for the skill bar. And this is. Just know that if we put it into 100% and it will be full. Yes. And we can change it to the number of what you want like that. And this is a code again for CSS, and for this one is HTML. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoyed. Thanks.